Pisces. This is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for the month of March 2021. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Oopsie. Okay. Pisces, the card at the bottom of the deck is Knight of Cups. What I'm getting here, Pisces, is a lot of mixed emotions, whether or not you should be doing something or not, getting into some kind of relationship or getting out of one, starting something new. But I also feel that there will be some kind of closure from the past. From whatever happened in the past, you are going to be getting some kind of closure that will be a much needed relief for you, and it'll be liberating, because in the past you felt that a lot of things happened that drained all the joy out of your life, and even when you were ready to extend love, loyalty to somebody, someone just ran over your feelings and you were left dealing with a lot of pain. And there was a time that you just did not want to see any good in life anymore. You're coming out of those energies, Pisces. And this closure will bring about the peace that you truly deserve. Wow, you've got the Page of Cups, you've got the Knight of Cups, you've got the Knight of Swords. Pisces, whoever you want to extend this love and loyalty to, make sure this person reciprocates and also understands the value of your love, Pisces. Because I feel this person is overly practical while you are overly emotional. This could be somebody you've met through work, or you both have the same kind of profession. Could be a Scorpio person that you're dealing with. But make sure, Pisces, that after whatever has happened from the past, and from whatever happened in the past, you need to make sure you extend this love to somebody who is willing to accept it. Otherwise, you will be left feeling regretful. So don't do that, okay? Just take your time, understand this new person or whoever it is that you're trying to pursue. Are they really worth it, Pisces? Yeah, have patience while dealing with love, Pisces. It seems as if you want to communicate, but you're scared of how this person might respond. You're tempted. But, Pisces, I will suggest take your time and see if they're truly worth it. Put them to test. Let's see some extra messages for you, Pisces. These may or may not be directly related to your tarot. Yes. You've got the stork card. The stork is wearing an olive branch and is standing near the shore of a beach. I feel you need to wait and watch. Think before you act, Pisces. Numbers 14, 17, 1, 10, 20 can be really important. Even 18. So keep a lookout for them. 17 is also part. The signs that you're dealing with is Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Leo. Listen to your intuition. Take baby steps. Follow your intuition before it makes sense. Thought through actions, Pisces. Think before you act. Exercise, run, walk, swim, or otherwise move your body. This will give you more energy and happiness. When there's a flow of energy in your body, you will start feeling clearer in your head when it comes to thought and taking decisions. You'll feel clearer and it'll be a little easy for you when there's a equal flow of energy, a smooth flow of energy in your body. Be gentle with yourself. Number 33 could be important. Third of March could be important. A personal issue reaches resolution. Look at the bigger picture. You've got your card here. Balance spirituality and practicality. A time for healing, and nothing will come of this situation. You have only got full moons, Pisces. Major endings, things that don't serve you anymore, will find their way out of your life. Wow, this card has come out in almost all the readings for March. I am unapologetic about what I desire and trust that what I focus on will grow. Pisces, I'd like to dedicate this beautiful lapis lazuli download for you so that you get the flexibility that resembles water, and so that all the happiness in the world finds its way to you. I hope you enjoyed this reading, Pisces. Thank you for watching. Bye.